Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $2.719. Okay, and if you look at from 4-5 days, what you can see that a continuous downtrend we have seen, but in between you will see some of the positive sides also. Okay, because we have seen two green candles are forming, but these green candles are very small. Okay, but if you look at for the red candles, they are very big. Overall trend, you can say, if you look at this particular chart, that there is a very much of volatility in the natural gas prices, and it is rising. Okay, in upside you can say, but it is again in a zone of $3 and $2. Okay, till the time it is not crossing this zone, we will not see a good volatility as well as a good upside movement or a downfall. Okay, now it is trying to go upside, as you can see that since if you look at this particular pattern, what we have seen since 2 days, it is continuously down, and today a jobless claim data has come, which is on a positive side. You can say that is where the price of natural gas is moving, positive side for the natural gas. Okay, and now a probability is very high. If this level sustain a further upside, we can see, because it is already above a particular resistance, and in between these, if you look at this particular resistance, these are all weak resistances. Okay, so chances will be high if this level sustain a further upside, we can see. Okay, but if it fall below a level of around, you can say $2.664, then a probability of going further low will be there, because there will be a pattern forming and chances will be very high it will move further down. Okay, now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, look at this particular chart. There is a U pattern is forming, opposite U pattern is forming. After that, there is a continuous upside. Okay, this is a $3 and $2 upside, where the price of natural gas is trying to move very slightly upside. Otherwise, a problem what we can see in the natural gas is that it is quite volatile. Okay, and as soon as it is not going upside above the level of 3, we will not see a further high. But if it is moving below a level of 2.5, then a probability of going towards further down we can see. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, gap is still pending and a pattern is forming after pandemics. Okay, what this pattern is saying, that whenever it is hitting its new high, a fall down is coming as well as a swing is forming. Okay, and this what the swing is doing, that it's moving for the next high, and then that is where the profit bookings coming, and now a fall we have seen. But after the 6th time, what had happened, there is a war situation has come. Because of that, the price of natural gas was continuously moving down. Okay, and till now it's had not been so stable. Okay, and this price, if it goes below a level of $2, it will come till the price where we have seen in the pandemic. Okay, we have seen a $1.5, the lowest of natural gas in pandemic. So probability can also be seen if it moves below a level of $2. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances will be very high it will go further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of around $2.780 is there. As soon as it moves above that particular level, chances are high it will go further upside. You have to understand something, that on a weekly, this is on a weekly chart. Understand, it's not a day wise chart. If you are thinking it's a day wise, no, it is not. It is a weekly chart where a probability of holding for a week can be there. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are high it will go towards a level of around $2.783. Okay, and that is already being a weak resistance. That means it is already being tested here. So chances are high it will go further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of around 2.921 is there after this level. Okay, and this level is also being tested. So chances will be high it will go further high, and a probability of going towards 3.053 is there. $3.053 is already being tested, as you can see looking at this particular chart, already being tested here. So chances will be high. That means if it sustain this level, chances of touching this particular level is on a higher side on a weekly basis. Okay, now once it started moving above this level, because this level we have not seen since Jan of 23. Okay, so chances will be high it will touch a level of around $3.335. Okay, and if that level move further upside, then we can see it will touch a level of around 3.548. Okay, so once the price sustain above 3.548, we can see it will touch a level of around $3.927, and from there a further upside we can see to a level of 4.15. Okay, so once it started moving upside, a further high we can see. Now look at this particular zone. As soon as started moving above $3, probability of touching 3.3 is on a higher side, so keep that in mind, and a further high we can see. But market is always uncertain. You should not be relying that the market will go as per you. No, it will not. You have to go along as per the market. Trend you can guess, but if there is so much of volatility, always try to remember to reduce your quantity, increase your SL in targets, because saving your capital is very important by putting your SL, and trailing your SL is very important to save your profit. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain what you can see, then the next support coming towards a level of around $2.686, and if it moves below that particular level, then the next support coming at a level of around $2.570. Okay, suppose if the price move below this particular level, then a probability of going further down we can see, and a probability of touching $2.416. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, we can see it will touch a level of around 2.215. This 2.215 is a low of this particular zone. Okay, and once started falling below this particular level, then we can see it will fall further down, and a probability of touching 2.080 is there, because that is already being a weak support, so chances will be high it will go further down. Okay, keep that in mind that once started moving below level of 2.4, chances of touching 2.2 will be there, and then a probability of going further low. As soon as it move below a level of $2, we will see it will come in a zone of $1.9 to a level of 1.8 and further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.